Today I will be talking about bioprinting and how it could help people who need organ transplants. Many patients wait years for organs, including kidneys. I became interested in this topic because my father has been waiting for a kidney transplant, and bioprinting may offer hope in the future. Many people around the world need organ transplants, but there are not enough donors available. Patients can stay on waiting lists for years, and some never receive the organ they need. Because of this problem, scientists are searching for new ways to create organs, and one of the newest ideas is called bioprinting. What is bioprinting? Bioprinting is a special type of 3D printing that uses living cells instead of plastic or metal. Scientists use this technology to create tissues and possibly organs in laboratories. The goal of bioprinting is to produce body parts that can replace damaged or failing organs. How it works. The bioprinting process starts with creating a computer design of an organ. Then scientists prepare a material called bioink. The printer builds the tissue layer by layer, just like a regular 3D printer. And after printing, the tissue is placed in a machine that helps the cells grow and develop into working tissue. Bioprinting follows the same pattern as the body by printing cells that grow into tissues and eventually organs. Bioprinting has many possible benefits. It could help reduce the number of people waiting for an organ transplant. It may also lower the risk of organ rejection because organs can be made from the patient's own cells. Another benefit is that scientists can test new medicines on printed tissue instead of using animals or humans. Even though bioprinting is promising, there are still many challenges. Some organs, like kidneys, are very complex and difficult to print. Scientists also struggle to create tiny blood vessels inside printed organs. The technology is expensive, and more research is needed before it becomes widely available. Stem cells play an important role in bioprinting. These are special cells that can change into many different types of cells. Scientists use stem cells to create different tissues needed for organs. Because stem cells can grow into many cell types, they are very useful for building organs. What is bioink? Bioink is the material used in bioprinting. It contains living cells mixed with a soft material that helps hold the cells together. This material allows the cells to stay alive during the printing process and helps them form the correct structure. Current research examples. Some scientists are already making progress with bioprinting. One example is printing skin tissue that can be used to help treat burn patients, as you can see from the example below in the picture. Another example is printing small tissue structures and tiny organs that researchers use to test medicines and study different diseases. Future predictions that I have. In the future, scientists hope to print full organs such as kidneys, hearts, and livers. This could shorten organ waiting lists and save many lives. Hospitals may eventually have bioprinters that create organs when patients need them. And as you can see in the picture below, the scientists already printed the mini liver pieces that actually work. In conclusion, could this help my father? Bioprinting is still developing, but it shows great promise. While it may not be ready for widespread organ replacement yet, scientists are making steady progress. I believe that this technology could eventually help people like my father and possibly many others waiting for an organ transplant.